Let's continue to the second part where we'll be focusing on the Rhino and the Grasshopper module. So in the first step, we will launch the Rhino, and you will see the first window where you select the dimensions. In the IDEA StatiCa, we are using SE units, so it's very important to select meters as a first input. So as you can see in the card new, so there is the option to select from the like a bunch of the different formats, but we'll use the meters. So if you select it, the window will appear, and as you can see, we can just switch it to the perspective mode. Yeah, here. So this is the first step. In the second step, you need to install the plugin for IDEA StatiCa. So just type into the command line package manager. If you write in the package manager, this window will appear and you will just write down IDEA StatiCa. Please select the latest version that is allowed, because there has been fixed so many bugs and also added so many functions. So this is the latest version actually right now, and install it. In the next step, we'll be using for this example the package that is like inbuilt in the Rhino, but you need to install it. So again, we'll just launch the package manager, and in the package manager, you will write down the Colibri. Colibri. So this is the module that will help you or enable you to iterate over some parameters. And this is the goal of this tutorial, to iterate over some parameters. This is the latest version 2.0 actually right now. So again, I will install it and confirm it. So if you'll do it, you can just go into Grasshopper. So you can see this is like this grasp icon. So if you launch it, on the right side of the window there will appear the Rhino module. Okay. Okay, it's launching fine. You need to load the libraries. Okay, perfect. Great. So as you can see, the best way how to have it on your desktop is to align it next to each other, because you will be working in the Rhino and Grasshopper. So this is the best layout what you can have. So in the first step, we need to like upload the connection from the IdeaCon file. So as you can see, here is so many cards and also IDEA StatiCa plugin that this module has been installed based on the package manager we used, and there is like the parts dedicating to opening of the model, like the work with the members nodes, with some visibilities, and also the part that is dedicating to connection design, where you can reference it, deconstruct all the model, put the parameters, modify the load effects, and so many more. Um, so in the first step, I would like to display my connection in the Rhino. So we'll jump into parameters card, and here is the like subsection, the primitives. So as you can see, I need to know where the file is located, so I will be using the file path. And as you can see, the battery has a like orange color. So if you go closer, it means that this parameter need to be filled in, or this battery need to be filled in with some data. So if you hit the right button and go to select one existing file, you will assign it immediately from your folder or from your yeah, it's here. It's here. As you can see, I have it on my desktop, but you can have it in your somewhere in the folder. So I will launch it and assign it here. As you can see, it's getting gray, so it means it's loaded in the battery, and the battery just have the information that this path been assigned. Okay, so this is what we have, and right now we can move to IDEA StatiCa part because we'll be working with this module. So in the first step, you will go to the connection, and you need to um, you need to use the part where you are referencing the connection, because you need to, uh, find the path and assign it to this to this battery. So right now it's uploading, so it takes some time. Uh, and if it will be finished, we can move on to deconstruction of the model and displaying the model in the Rhino. Yeah, okay, still working. The uploading process is ongoing, and yeah, you can see this is my response is 40.6 seconds, and also the battery has been or starting to be gray, so it means it's linked and the informations are inside. If you would like to know more that the process has been done correctly, you will just jump into the parameters. Here is the part that is dedicating to the panel that will tell you that the example 0.1 IdeaCon has been uploaded. So this is how you can verify and clarify that the model has been uploaded. We will jump into IDEA StatiCa, the connection part, and I would like to just select the connection geometry. So if you go here and connect the battery of the referencing to the battery with the connection of the or geometry of the connection. So as you can see, the connection has been appeared in the scene. So this is without the entities like a plates, bolts, belts. This is just this. There are just the members. And right now you can see there are in the brackets is IOM format. So we'll be moving from the connection part to the open model creates part. And here I would like to display something. What I would like to display, I would like to display the connection point. So here is the part where you need to find uh, yeah, deconstruct connection point. If you apply this template, so you will just connect the connection point to your connection point battery, and as you can see, the parts or the entities like end plates and bolt locations, stiffeners, everything has been assigned like the asset um, to Rhino. And right now I can receive the information from the model very swiftly, because you will jump into the parameters again. You will launch the panel, and in the panel you can receive the information from how many plates is there, how it's named, what is the ID of the plate, and so many more. Let's say right now I would like to uh, have some visibility on the bolts. So again, we'll go back to IDEA StatiCa, go to IDEA or IOM part, and here in the bottom is a bolt grid view or plate view. Let's say if you would like to see the thickness of the plate, for example, you will just turn on and select this plate view, connect the battery from the deconstruction of the plates to plate view, and as you can see, the plane has been created, or planes has been created, and also the thickness has been assigned to model. So you can see the solid view of the connection itself. So this is how it works with the displaying of the model and receiving the information. And right now, if you select all the batteries and use the shortcut Control G, so it's been assigned to one group and you can play around with this part.